Hello, friends. It's an honor once again to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. I have a sort of quick, silly little video here. Some of you may think it's silly, some of you may think it's helpful. But what you see before you is an ordinary screwdriver and a magnet. And one of the problems I have, and you may have too, when you're working in a recessed area where you don't have the ability to hold the screw in place, and you're trying to screw something in, the screw falls right off the screwdriver. See, it won't stay at all. And you can't get your finger in there to hold it in place. So my solution is to put a magnet on your screwdriver and then attach your screw, and you can see how it stays. It stays very nicely. You can wiggle it around, it won't come off. You see, even if you hold it this way and wiggle it around, it won't come off. So this will hold the screw in place so you can screw something into a recessed area where you have limited access. So that's all I've really got. It's just a quick little video on how adding a magnet to your screwdriver will help you out in certain situations. Before I go, I'll post two videos to your left. If you find one or the other of interest, feel free to click on them. And to your right will be a picture of my German Shepherd, my trusty Avatar. Feel free to click on that if you wish to subscribe. So thanks once again for watching, and we hope to see you all again very, very soon.